Cruz Garcia?
That's correct, Judge. 25 CR 4288, 25 CR 297, and 26 CR 1362. And I apologize, it's Cruz Garcia.
Is Mr. Garcia present?
He is not, Judge. It's a refusal.
Okay, and would you like to schedule him for next Tuesday?
Judge, we do have pending competency in Mr. Garcia's cases. The primary reason that we were here on 26 CR 1362 is related to an FFJ case and just having a bond set because it's pre-conviction. So I don't know if the court just wants to set a bond or if we want to try to bring him back.
People's position on the FFJ case?
I'm happy to have arguments if the court feels comfortable with it. I did reach out to the attorney in Arizona that has the Arizona case, which is the basis for the FFJ, and I did email some of that information to Ms. Fox.
And we were requesting to just reserve and have bond set. I mean, he's held on the multiple things, so I just want to get it set.
Sure, I would need input from the demanding state.
So he's facing 11 counts in Arizona, 1 count of burglary, 5 counts of aggravated robbery, the equivalent. They have a whole different set of statutes and 5 counts of kidnapping. In Arizona, he's now classified as a class 2, these are classified as class 2 dangerous felonies. He's looking at a 7-year minimum on each case, but more than likely they're not stacking. 21 years is the high part of the range for that. The date of offense in Arizona is January 5th of 2025. Arizona has the rental car records that the defendant drove from Colorado Springs to Arizona to see his cousin. Arizona is not sure if they're blood related or if this is just a slang term, who called him down. They committed the crime and then drove back to Colorado Springs. Judge, for you, I would know that our date of offense is January 15th of 2025. Arizona has jail calls from where the defendant is asking about sentencing ranges and the charges in Arizona from the state of Colorado when he was held here. The attorney in Arizona believes that the defendant is a serious flight risk. When I spoke to him, when he gets back to Arizona, they're intending to ask for a $250,000 cash only bond. This is a single incident. So from what the attorney down in Arizona believes is that they thought they were robbing somebody else. So they went to a residence believing that they were robbing a third party. When they entered the house and realized that they weren't robbing the correct person, they continued on to commit the crimes anyway.
Any other argument?
And Judge, I would just request that the court set a standard bond for an F2. I would note we don't have a governor's warrant and I don't have any discovery. We just have information from the DA as to what they allege.
I am choosing not to set a bond on the fugitive from justice case. A $250,000 cash bond once Mr. Garcia is in Arizona is up to them, but under these circumstances, I'm leaving it at a no bond hold.
And Judge, just for appellate purposes and for the record, I would note that these are pre-conviction cases. We have requested a governor's warrant, and pursuant to statute, I think he's entitled to a bond because it's pre-conviction.
People agree with that?
I think he's entitled to a bond pre-conviction, Judge.
$500,000 cash only.